Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to get back to original firmware of your router from DD-WRT. Of course, if you didn't like DD-WRT. So let's get started. Type in your router IP address in the address bar. If you haven't changed the IP address, then default is 192.168.1.1, but in my case I have changed that to 192.168.2.1. Go to administration panel and go to firmware upgrade. Click choose file and select the firmware file you downloaded from your router manufacturer site. Router I'm using is Linksys WRT1200AC and click open. And after flashing reset to default settings, then hit upgrade. Flashing takes a minute or so. I'll fast forward this part to what we have to do after flashing the original firmware. Now remember to type in default IP address of the router, not the one you created or modified in DD-WRT firmware. For my Linksys, that is 192.168.1.1. So here we are. We have successfully loaded our original firmware. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye for now.